In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Smartsheet. If you're planning a project, tracking personal goals, or just want a visual way to organize your schedule, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to build a clean, interactive timeline. Even if you've never made one before, I'll explain what each part does so you can use it confidently. Start by creating a new project in Smartsheet. Think of this like opening a fresh notebook before you outline your plan. Click Create in the upper left, then choose Project. This tells Smartsheet you want a workspace built for tasks, dates, and dependencies. Give your project a clear descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. When your project opens, switch to Timeline View. You might see some sample tasks appear, and that's completely normal. Consider it a preview of how your own information will look once you add it. You can replace or customize everything, so don't worry about those placeholders. To enter your real details, move into the Sheet view. Click the View option at the top and select Grid. This is the spreadsheet-style view where you can see all your rows and columns at once. Here, update task names, set start and end dates, add notes, and reorder tasks to match the way your work actually flows. Keep task names short and action-oriented, and use consistent date formats so your timeline aligns correctly. If a task spans multiple days, make sure both the start and end dates are filled in. Those dates drive what appears on the timeline. Think of this step like prepping ingredients before cooking. The better your input here, the clearer your visual timeline will be. As you make changes in Grid, Smartsheet updates the timeline automatically. When you're ready to check your progress visually, switch back to Timeline View by clicking the same view option and choosing Timeline. You'll see your tasks laid out across a horizontal calendar, with bars showing when each one begins and ends. This makes it easy to spot overlaps, identify gaps, and ensure you're pacing your work realistically. From here, you can move back and forth between Grid for editing and Timeline for visualizing at any time. As your project grows, feel free to add useful columns like owners or notes, or use color to highlight priorities and phases. Smartsheet is flexible, so customize it to match how you work best. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.